For example, if I say string S1 is equal to, I'll input the string as computer, software, C sharp, language, Hyderabad. These are my strings which I stored in one variable. S1 contains 5 strings separated by blank space. Now what I want is, I want to split this single string into substrings. So single string you want to split into substring. How would you do this? String array S2 equal to S1 dot split. Yes. So split is going to split a string separated by blank space. Now to get, you can say length equals to plus S2 dot length. That will return number of strings that has been split from one string, because it is array. Array dot length returns number of substrings. Similarly, obviously it will be 5. After that, if you want to have those strings, so I can say for each string S in S2, console dot write line S. That would return each string. Execute the code. Yes, 5 strings. So single string has been divided into substrings. Exactly same way. Now I'm going to separate the strings by semicolon. Here, 2 strings separated by semicolon. So remember, earlier in the previous example, 2 strings were separated by space. So I used only split method, because earlier there was what? Space. String was like this. String was like this. Split method was containing no parameters, and this single string has been divided into substrings and stores into variable called S2. Five substrings. So default delimiter for split method is space, space. But now you have semicolons in between. Yes, here you have a semicolon. Yes, now you have semicolon. So now you want to split the string wherever we have semicolon. So in single quotes, you put semicolon. Now execute the code, and you could notice 5 substrings are there. Yes, length 5 substrings. Similarly, what if I have like comma and semicolon both? Comma, semicolon, comma, semicolon. If it is like this, here I have semicolon, better. Here I put comma, comma. Here I put semicolon. Last I put comma. Better. I'll do like this. Now what do you want to do? Wherever semicolon, it should split the string now. Right? Yes. Now run the code. Computer software, C sharp language, header. 3 substrings. because we asked to go with what? Wherever we have semicolon. If you want to have both, then you should put semicolon and comma. It's error no? Because when you put two characters, it becomes string. When it becomes string, single quote doesn't work. Then we have two approaches. This is one approach. And that approach is you can use dynamic memory for character, and here you can put comma, semicolon, close. That's it. Execute the code. 5 substrings now. Yes, length 5, 5 substrings. 5 strings have been displayed. Yes. Now, another part of this substring, what we learn is, for example, imagine, imagine, if at all, you have something called multiple semicolon, like one semicolon, and you have like in between also, I place some semicolon. I placed what? Few more semicolon. One, here one semicolon, one more semicolon here, then semicolon. In between here also I have some semicolons. Here also I have semicolons. Here also I have some semicolons. Now you have only semicolon everywhere, so don't put comma anywhere here. Okay, only semicolon. Now interesting thing is here computer semicolon. It becomes one substring. One substring. Blank semicolon. Empty substring. 2, 3, 4. This complete 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All together 20 splits now. Yes, length 20 in between empty substrings. Why? Because you have extra semicolons in between. Because of that, you have everywhere provided with what? Empty spaces. But what is my now interest is exactly wherever we have a word, there only it should split the string. So for that, I put comma. You have an option. String split option. Dot. Remove empty entries. Execute. Exactly 5 now. Yes. Earlier were 20. Now no. Wherever all semicolons becomes one string now. For all semicolons. Here, exactly. By using what option we use? Remove empty entries. Okay, this is one approach. One more approach if you want to split the string. This time what you do, instead of using semicolon, I substitute by using slash and slash t, escape characters. Here also, slash and slash t. Here also, slash and slash t. Here also, slash and slash t. Yes. Now, no, I don't want to use this. We have one more split that is available in a class called regex dot split. Which string you want to split? S1. Which one? Where you want to split? Wherever we have slash and slash t. Yes. But the problem is it is not able to identify what is regex. It is a class. It is a class, but it is not being recognized. So on top, you should add one namespace using system dot text dot regular expression. That is what the meaning of regex. If I run my code now, 5 substring. Yes. So two split methods we have. One split is in string class and one split is in regex class. Okay, two substrings. That's it. Now, keeping all these methods provided with the string class, these all are your assignments. So once I complete, you can take a screenshot of it and try to resolve them because these all are even interview related queries. You have to put your efforts to find solutions of all these programs. First question. Write a program to display acronym of a given string. So your output should be like this. If at all, input is like this. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. If I give, then you should have output like this. BHEL, short form. One program. Second program. Write a program to display acronym of a given string with last word as full string. It means these are only examples. I say program should respond for any string that I input. Don't assume that you have to write a program only for that given input. Do you understand? I may input anything. If at all my input is like Srinivas Reddy, if I input, output should be SR. So I'm not talking that your program should respond only for this string. It should respond for any string. This is only an example for your reference. But don't make assumption that your program has to work only for this string. It doesn't mean so because I said write a program to display. Still to elaborate and understand, you can say like this, write a program to input a string to display acronym of that string. I already said given string, that itself means you have to input a string. Still, you have a confusion. I'm better making it very clear at least now. Input a string and display acronym and display acronym with last word as full string. It means if input is like this, LAL Bahadur Stadium, if it is. So output what you need is LB Stadium. Like this output should be. If I would have given Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited,